Today, the Huskies and I are getting out of the house and going camping in the great outdoors with the help of our new 6-person tent from Hikergarden. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to set up. Inside the box, you'll find everything nicely organized and ready to go inside of your travel bag. I brought it out to the campsite and laid down a tarp to set up on. Open up the bag and pull out your tent. Inside the bag, you can find your instructions sewed into the side so you won't lose them. Then, untie your tent straps and unroll your tent. Inside the rolled up tent, you'll find everything you need. Stretch it out so it's laying on the ground flat. Then grab your tent stakes. Hammer those down so your tent will hold in place and not blow away in the wind. Then grab your tent poles. They easily unfold and slap together to make a rugged tent structure. Go ahead and prep all your poles and organize them by color. The greens are the long leg poles, and the red and blue poles make up the roof. On top of the tent, you'll find several pole mounting holes that are color coordinated as well. Match the red with the red, the blue with the blue, and the green with the green. Then watch your tent quickly take shape and make a real structure. Then take your pole clamps on the side of the tent and snap them onto the green poles to hold the tent in place. Now you can leave the tent just like this and have a nice little skylight to do some stargazing and have some extra breeze. But in the case of rain, there's also a topper that you could throw over and tie down. Setup is done now, and it's time to camp. I lit a campfire and used the camping grill to make food. The tent is so spacious that it gave me plenty of room to prep, as well as room to store all my things. The pockets in the wall make it super easy to store essentials out of the way and keep them safe. And then the zippable windows make it so I can see the Huskies and keep an eye on the fire from the tent. Not only that, but the open windows in the front and back has such good airflow and makes it feel really nice in there. The topper keeps some shade in the tent, and the tall roof makes it so you can actually breathe and not feel claustrophobic. It even has a nice electrical port on the front, so you can feed an extension cord through and have electric in your tent. Anyway, I ate my fill of food and then made my Huskies some plates of food as well. Then it was time for bed. I put in my camping mattress, as well as a dog bed, and we had plenty more room if I ever wanted to bring some friends. I used the convenient little D-ring on the roof to hang a light at the tent, and I had such a relaxing evening. The Huskies and I had a blast, ate some good food, and enjoyed our new tent. I've left it up for about a week now, and I go out to the campsite each day to do some more work on the area. The tent makes such a great station to go in and get ready for my next project. Not to mention, it's rained on me a few times, and the waterproof design makes it so I can put away all my tools and equipment and keep them safe. This tent was everything I could hope for and more. Even though it's designed to hold 6 people, it's so easy to set up that you could do it by yourself. It takes little time to set up and gives you so much space to move around and camp comfortably. I'm already planning my next camping trip and trying to spice up my campsite so I can go back and do this more often. We had so much fun camping in this tent, so perhaps you will too. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the campsite to relax and cook dinner. It's just so peaceful out there. See ya.